How to have an enjoyable camping experience. Camping is a pastime that can be fun and educational for the entire family. In order to get the most out of your time communing with nature, you must take the time to learn as much about camping as possible. Read the tips that follow and you will be able to plan an adventure you will never forget. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the blood stream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. Did you know that a simple mirror can save your life? If you are camping and end up in a survival situation, a simple handheld mirror can be used to signal for help many miles away. Do not buy the standard glass mirror. Many camping supply stores sell mirrors made of Lexan that will float and are practically unbreakable. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug and of course, that your campfire is completely out. If you are going on a camping adventure, make sure you have enough time to set up camp before dark. It can be extremely difficult to set up camp in the dark and possibly unsafe. You need to be able to scout the terrain, prepare bedding, and possibly build some temporary shelter prior to the sun going down. Nothing has the potential for creating lifetime memories quite like camping. Including your friends and family on your next outing can be a tremendous experience as long as you have a good grasp of camping fundamentals. By taking the concepts in the above video to heart, you will be prepared to experience the outdoors like an expert. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.